Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and we are doing another swipe today. I've got some colours left over from my last pour. That would be the Amsterdam Cobalt Blue Ultramarine and the Greyish Blue by Amsterdam. I'm going to add this other new colour that I haven't used yet, which is the Turquoise Blue. And another colour I haven't used, which is Atelier. It's the blue black. So I reckon that this one is going to be quite a bit like the Amsterdam Prussian blue. By looking at the side of this, might have that tiny bit of a green tinge. So there's that one. And I bought some of this, didn't read it properly. This is a Jo Sonja matte flow acrylic, and I started mixing it up and it's super runny. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably play with adding a little bit of this after my swipes and just trickling a little bit through for some silver highlights. So let's get started. So these are my four main colours. I've got a little bit of leftover from my last pour. This was the scrapings. I've been doing puddles, so let's just pour the paint on for a change. Right, let's give it a little tilt just to fill in those holes. Okay, that looks good. Let's get the end of a paintbrush and just give it a little bit more character. We won't put the gloves on. Just swipe with the big palette knife because we know that that worked very well last time. Okay, that's looking good there. Now, should we keep going the same direction? Go this way. Maybe start from up there even. Okay. God, look at the size of that coming through. That's interesting. Right, where's my silver? Start around here. Alright, I just want to get a little bit of interest through here. Do some tilting. Now I think I want to go that way first. These parts I kind of want to save, so we might scoop some off the ground. Where's our weight? Feels a little overstretched. This is what I'm worried about with the big piece. I don't think there was enough paint on it. I don't want to keep tilting this because it's just going to get more and more bunched up. But the takeaway is each time I do one of these, I learn something from it. What do we think about the blue-black indigo? Pretty. Got the sides covered. what happened here? Okay, so here is the wet result. I'll take you in. Hopefully there's not too much shine from the light. I love this bit here. Looks like scales. And this bit through here is really pretty. I don't know why this happened. It's very odd. There's a couple of dots there. So, I mean, I didn't use silicone or anything like that. So this bit all through here is really quite nice. And we start to get a little bit squished up down here. And then we've got some big lacing through here. A little bit of shadowing. So yeah, I like the composition of this. We've got sort of everything coming down to a point here. And it's really like a deep ocean color palette, I think. I don't think the silver really did anything that I tried to put through. There might be some there and here. I don't know if that's going to do anything. It's definitely up here. And I tried to fix this. And I mean, I feel like I even just need to keep trying to fix it. Oh well. Maybe with a paintbrush later. That's pretty through there. Look at all those colours. Can you see that? It's really like 3D through there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's that one. Now, I always feel like I need to learn something from this, and this one I think my consistency was a little runny. But we'll have a look at it when it's dry. Okay, here is the dried result. And it's dried quite well. This is still my favorite piece through here. It still looks 3D, which is very cool. I really like that. And I like the shadowing through here on the blues. The silver, there is a little bit, that going through there is a bit of silver, and so is that down there. But yeah, it wasn't a great plan, the silver, I don't think. And this needs fixing or something. I had thought about like painting some bubbles on this one. But I didn't get a chance to do it yet. But let me know in the comments below whether you think I should try drawing some bubbles on top of this, or whether you like it just the way it is. Yeah. So I mean, this here could use something because it's very stretched, the lacing through there. But it's managed to hold really well through the top and through this side. So I'll have to look back at the footage and see why that happened that way. It's the good thing about filming it all. You can go back and have a look at what you did. Anyway, that's it for this one. Again, if you want to see me attempt to paint some bubbles on this, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.